And it was done, no matter what they tell you, to undermine Black family unity. The man of the house rule that was put into place in the 1960s said that under certain welfare programs, if a family, a mother and their children, that's who they could deem to be a family, was receiving aid, any adult male found living in a household would disqualify that family from benefits. That was the rule. The man in the house rule. Look it up. The movie Claudine kind of showed you how people had to basically lie, falsify. Christian people feeling that the only way I could survive with my family is to pretend I'm not with the father. If the mother wanted to feed her kids and keep a roof over her head, she had to tell the AFDC, the Aid to Families and Dependent Children, she had to tell them that she didn't have any man in her life. And she had to ban that father from seeing his children and even being in their home. And he couldn't provide anything for his kids, because if he bought shoes, if he bought socks, the welfare worker would literally conduct a surprise home inspection and show up and say, where you get them socks from? Well, you're not going to get aid. And they wouldn't care about evicting the family or putting kids as wards of the state. Just if they found something small, the support could get cut. Because see, when you have reports like the Monahan report and you have people lying about things and then not wanting this unity, they knew what they were doing. And the policy stemmed from racist assumptions and fear so that the Black man could not be a provider. And it also told what? It told a whole generation of children that they were only deserving as long as the father was absent. The only way that you could be considered a viable family is that you needed to have a mother and not the father. The father had to basically get out of there on inspection days, or he couldn't marry the mother.